A long history of major personal injury verdicts and settlements is probably one of the most important indicators of experience and whether your personal injury lawyer knows what they're doing. Developing a track record of large jury verdicts and settlements does not happen by accident. It takes diligent effort and careful preparation by your lawyer. Our law firm is proud of our track record in this area. For example, we obtained a record-setting $60 million jury verdict along with co-counsel in the year 2000 for a seriously injured client. Furthermore, our firm obtained an $8.6 million jury verdict in a railroad disease wrongful death case. Our lawyers also obtained a $21 million structured settlement for a child who suffered a debilitating brain injury in a commercial truck accident. While not every case is a $1 million case, take comfort in knowing that we have a long and successful history in earning numerous large, multi-million-dollar jury verdicts and settlements. For more information about large jury verdicts and settlements, check out our website at hsinjurylaw.com.